Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Any Perfect Confidential. Welcome to my home in Solana Beach, California. I always love having you here, whether we're working out or making something in the kitchen, or we're just gonna sit and chat for a little bit. So what I wanted to do today is share with you 8 life-changing wellness habits to help ground, stabilize, and center you. Now, if you're familiar with the term Ayurveda, most of you are, but Ayurveda is a 3,000-year-old philosophy developed in India that is based on the belief of whole body healing, and that the entire wellness of our being is a delicate balance between mind and body and spirit. And when any of those 3 are out of whack, it throws us all off center. So it's fueling all 3 of those areas. Now, I don't know about you, but it's been very easy to get off center and ungrounded lately, especially with everything that's been going on in the world. And so I wanted to share with you what I do. Now, these are Ayurvedic practices. Let me be clear, they're not my own, they are Ayurvedic practices, but they're ones that I've incorporated to my life and I want to share them with you. So pick the ones that resonate with you. If something doesn't, don't, or at least try it and see if you like it. All right, so here are the 8 that I do. All right, number 1, wake up early before sunrise, between 4:30 and 6 a.m. So in Ayurvedic practice, they say that before the sun rises is the most spiritually charged time of the day. And that is the time when we can most tap into curbing negative energies and tap into creating positivity in our mind and our life for that particular day. All right, number 2 is clean your aura. I know that sounds hippy dippy, but I live in California, so I can get away with it. But actually, it's actually nice. So when you wake up, all you're going to do is to clean your aura, is you're going to take your hands and you're just going to lightly, kind of gently rub them over your face, your neck, down your chest, to your waist, and just like flick the energy off. I gotta tell you, try it. Nobody's watching and I'm not gonna tell, but try it. It feels really good, and you can feel the energy drifting off of your body as you do that. Okay, so that is number 2, is to clean your aura. And it's easy, it takes 3 seconds. Number 3, light an intention candle. This goes hand in glove with getting up early. So you're gonna get up early, nobody else is gonna be up, the rest of the world is sleeping, you have your me time, and you're gonna take a candle. Any candle will do. I love my white Jo Malone because it smells amazing and it's pretty. And see the flame of the light as representing bringing positive situations, people, and energies into your life, and guarding against bringing anything that is negative, destructive habits, destructive people that don't serve your best and highest good. And I just breathe that in and out until I feel grounded and centered for the day. Honestly, it's maybe 5 or 6 minutes, but it's so empowering, and it just sets the tone for your day, and it makes you feel strong, empowered, and clear and grounded. That is one of my favorites. Okay, number 4, add fresh flowers to your space. Yes, they smell good and they're beautiful, but flowers are actually a very strong spiritual medicine in Ayurveda, and they believe that flowers have incredible healing properties, that they guard against irritation and anger, that they help to alleviate mental stress and anxiety. When you have a bouquet of flowers and you just take a nice smell of the flowers and think of how calming that feels over your body, it's for a reason. The flowers are really healing. So whether it's once a week or once every other week, and just keep them in your space. I love them. All right, that's the next one. Number 5, give yourself a soothing oil massage. So in the warmer months, you're going to want to use coconut oil, and in cooler months, try a sesame oil. And all you're going to do is just like moisturizer, just like you would. So at night, what I do is after I take a shower, I just sit on a big fluffy towel in our bathroom, and I dip my hand in coconut oil and you just nicely massage it all over your body. It's very healing, it's very soothing, it stimulates all of your nerve endings. Pay special attention to the bottom of your feet. We have 7,000 nerves in each of our feet, and so it's just incredibly rejuvenating to spend extra time on your feet. Okay, so aside from the fact that it's very therapeutic, Your skin's gonna look amazing, and it has me night written all over it. I'm just saying. Okay, number 6. Use essential oils to help ground and stabilize or energize or help you go to sleep. Smell is the most powerful of our 5 senses. Use it to your benefit. All right, in the morning, citrus like lemon, grapefruit, orange to energize and brighten. During the day, things like evergreen, like eucalyptus or spruce to help stabilize and ground you. So if the day's going crazy, just take a deep breath, smell the essential oil. Sometimes I dab some on my wrist and I just breathe it in. Or of course you can always use an atomizer and put it near your workspace and just have it going all day. At night, think of things like lavender, sandalwood, things that are calming and promote restful sleep for you. All right, number 7, I know, scrape your tongue. If you follow me, you know that I did a piece on this maybe six or 7 months ago. So in Ayurvedic medicine, Ayurvedic practice, they believe that that gross stuff on your tongue in the morning, that's called ama, A-M-A. And it's essentially toxins and debris that your body has deposited on your tongue overnight. And sometimes they build up and it can be a result of kind of an unhealthy diet, honestly. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take this silver little thingamabob and you're just going to scrape it over your tongue. And what this does is it, of course, takes the toxins off of your tongue, but it will also help to cleanse your palate over time so you really start to taste foods much more clearly. And again, you can read more about that on my blog. And finally, number 8, I love this. And again, it may sound a little hippy-dippy, but nobody's watching. Connect with the earth first thing in the morning. So it's as easy as this. Tomorrow morning, step outside your house, no shoes, step outside your house before the world has gotten up, before anybody else in the household has gotten up, and just breathe in the morning air, listen to the quietness, feel your feet on the ground, imagine that there are roots like a tree coming from the bottom of your feet, rooting down into the earth, and just grounding and stabilizing you. And just look down at your hands and remember that the power to form and create your own life and your own destiny and your own path is in your hands. All right, those are my 8. Try them for everything health, wellness, fitness, style, and healthy living. Visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.